Oh my gosh, what the fuck is happening with my bike? Wait. Hush. Thank God. So me and my friends are planning a road trip to Alibaug, but due to the miserable road conditions, we thought let's go by ferry. Yeah, you can see the crowd. Cool. Off we go. So see you guys on the other side. We are about to reach Alibaug in like 5 minutes now. Let's hit it. So finally we have reached. Let's see how they take up our bikes from the ferry. Because of the low tide, everything is fucked up. So this is how they pull our bikes. I mean, take care of our bikes. So again we hit the road and it's about time we explore Alibaug and let's see what Alibaug has to offer.
So how was the food?
Food was good.
Did you like it?
Oh yeah.
Specifically dal
Food was
khichdi.
good, and I think I like the dal khichdi a lot.
This started featuring on my blog.
And I like the flavors. The flavors are very nice. They tangle on your tongue. And these guys are having some noodles. And Pandey would take it over from here.
Pandey, how's the food?
Not happening. Even this.
Sadness.
Which hotel is this?
मतलब हल्दी नूडल्स मैंने पहली बार खाया हल्दी नूडल्स फर्स्ट टाइम
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, see you once again. Bye.